Okay, welcome to Phabrix at NAB 2017. So what's new today from Phabrix? On the handheld range, our tag using the SFP module is not only supporting optical input but also HDMI, and as we'll see in a short while, also IP with SMPTE 2022-6. Second area of key importance is our QX range, covering everything from HD, 4K, 8K, UHD TV, but also high dynamic range and wide color gamut. So we can see here we've got CIE color chart, various waveform and vector scopes, and wide color gamut as well. So the QX range is a hybrid product covering both SDI and IP simultaneously. We've got 4 12 gig BNC inputs and 4 12 gig BNC outputs, so a tremendously powerful platform that we're building on rapidly. In this area we see the QX range now focusing more on the IP area. So we're starting with 2022-6, and what we're demonstrating here is the analysis of an IP stream. So you can see the video, but also the packet distribution. In addition to all of the analysis that we do here, we can also create test profiles so that we can test the capabilities of IP products on a network. And this is the start, but we will soon be adding 2022-7, TR03, and eventually to 2110. So that's a very quick whistle-stop tour of Phabrix. Have a great NAB. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Axel. I'm Senior Product Manager for the VSM system here at Lavo. VSM is actually short for Virtual Studio Manager. It is a well-renowned overall broadcast control and monitoring system. The VSM is actually addressing 4 different applications. One of them is TV MCR, it's studio control, it is control in mobile trucks, and finally it's radio MCR. The basic concept of VSM is we are having a physical layer with modular peripheral equipment, with UMD and IMD multi-viewers, video routers, audio routers, intercom systems, and nowadays a lot of IP infrastructure. Now, VSM is abstracting all of these hardware in the so-called iron area, in the hardware layer, and provides a common user interface to the user. The user has a very customizable user interface in form of hardware and software panels, which can control all the underlying hardware by just a simple UI. At NAB this year we are introducing SOL, which is short for Seamless Orchestration and Unification Layer. SOL is actually an abstraction of a networked hardware infrastructure with I/O nodes from multi-vendors, providing video streams, audio streams, or both of each, northbound, and we present an XY representation for a user interface like VSM Studio or any other third-party control system. SOL is actually managing the nodes. It provides control over the streams from one node to each other node, and it also provides control of the switches. Depending on the depth of the control of the switches on the APIs, we are providing interoperability in form of monitoring or even down to stream flow. SOL is having a great collaboration with VSM Studio, which is the overall control and monitoring system. However, SOL can also connect to third party using its Ember Plus XY interface.